Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another new picture description. The picture shows a bright and cheerful park. The sun is shining in the clear blue sky. There is one small white cloud in the sky. Many tall green trees are in the park. The park has a walking path. The path is light brown in color. A fountain is in the middle of the park. Water is coming out of the fountain. The fountain is surrounded by a stone border. A family is sitting on a bench. The family has a mother, a father, and a child. The child is sitting on the mother's lap. The father has his arm around the mother. They look very happy together. Another bench is nearby. On that bench, a young man is sitting. Next to him, an old man with grey hair is sitting. The old man is wearing glasses. They seem to be talking. There are two children on swings. One child has brown hair. The other child has lighter hair. Both children are smiling. They are enjoying the swings. Two girls are skipping rope together. One girl is wearing a blue dress. The other girl has darker skin and curly hair. She is wearing a red shirt and blue shorts. They look very playful. Near them, two boys are skating. One boy is wearing a yellow shirt. He is also wearing knee pads. He has a helmet on his head. Both boys look excited. Another boy in a striped red shirt is skating too. He looks like he is having fun. On the right side, there is a small pond. Two ducks are swimming in the pond. The ducks are brown in color. They are close to each other. An old woman is standing near the pond. She is wearing glasses. She has white hair tied in a bun. She is wearing a red sweater. She is also wearing a long grey skirt. She is feeding the ducks. Small pieces of food are falling into the pond. The ducks are eating the food happily. The grass in the park is green. The trees have thick leaves. The park looks clean and peaceful. Everyone is busy doing something fun. The children are laughing and playing. The parents are relaxing on the bench. The old man and young men are chatting. The old woman is enjoying feeding the ducks. It is a beautiful sunny day in the park. The picture shows happiness, peace, and joy. Questions and answers practice related to the picture. Question 1. What is in the middle of the park? Answer is, there is a fountain in the middle of the park. Question 2. What are the children doing on the swings? Answer is, two children are sitting and enjoying the swings. Question 3. Who is feeding the ducks? Answer. An old woman with white hair is feeding the ducks. Question 4. What are the boys wearing while skating? Answer is, the boys are wearing helmets, knee pads and colorful shirts while skating. And the last fifth question is, how is the weather in the picture? Answer. The weather is sunny and pleasant. Thanks for watching. For more picture description, please like, share, subscribe to the channel.